Hello everyone, this is Prakriti S. I am currently pursuing my 7th semester Bachelor of Engineering in Information Science and Engineering Department from B&M Institute of Technology, Bangalore. In this video, I'll be demonstrating my mini project named as Nutrition Website, which I have done as a part of the course Cloud Computing and its application under the guidance of Ms. Jamuna S. Murthy. In this video, we will be seeing about the brief introduction of our project, the cloud platform used for the deployment of our project, the web objectives, methodologies, and the summary. At the last, the demo of how the project works will also be shown in this video. Basically, what is nutrition? Nutrition is the study of nutrients in the food, how the body uses them, and the relationship between the diet, health, and diseases. The effective management of food intake and nutrition are a key to good health. The Food and Nutrition Project helps the users to make healthy food choices, improve energy, and reduce diseases and illness. It also helps to gain knowledge about the nutrition. The system shows an appropriate diet to the users based on the choice made by the users, as well as understanding of good nutrition and paying attention to what you should eat can also help you to maintain and improve your health. The cloud platform used here is Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Service is a cloud platform that is used by both small scale and large scale industries. It helps to build an application which is flexible, reliable, and scalable. It helps user to build a sophisticated application to compute power, deliver content, and to store database or some other functionalities. In AWS, we have made use of AWS S3 bucket to deploy our project. AWS S3 bucket is used to store large amount of data. It is also useful to provide security to them. It provides scalability and durability also. Amazon S3 works with the business process, and it also allows anyone to securely run queries of the data without moving it to a separate analytic platform. The objectives of the project goes like this. The user can access the website at any time from anywhere. The Food and the Nutrition Project helps the users to learn and make healthy food choices. It also suggests an appropriate diet to the user based on the input given by them. The website also helps to gain knowledge about the nutrition. Basically, the advantage of hosting a website on cloud platform is that it reduces the time and maintenance is less. It is available all the time and reliable. There is also less risk when we deploy our project in cloud platform. Web traffic is not at all a problem, and we get customized size and storage with ease. The methodologies to deploy a project in AWS console is that first we have to log into the AWS console, then open AWS S3 service console. Now we have to create a bucket with a valid username with a valid name to the bucket. Then we have to edit the block public access option, then click create bucket. Once the bucket is created, we have to upload the folder of our project to the S3 bucket. Then we have to make the S3 bucket public so that it can be accessed by anyone. Later on, we have to enable static website hosting option because it helps to host the website easily. Then we have to open the object URL of the index.html file to test the working of the website. The summary of this project goes like this. In the nutrition website project, the S3 bucket is created in the AWS console. Then the required files are deployed into it, which includes CSS, the image, and the index page of the project. After providing the public access to open the link of the index page, nutrition website is running successfully. The AWS platform is used to provide security and to maintain support 24/7. It is also cost effective. By using AWS to host a website, the user can get access to it anytime. Now let's see the demo of the working of our project. So now let's see the deployment and the working of the nutrition website mini project. First, let's log into the AWS console. You should log in as a root user and provide the root user email address. Now provide a valid password. and click sign in. It, it directs you to the AWS management console. In AWS services, we will be deploying our project in the S3 bucket. So click on the S3 option. It redirects you to the AWS S3 bucket page. In this, we will basically first create a bucket. Here, click on the create bucket button. Give a valid name as for the bucket name. You can give it as anything. Here, I am naming it as nutrition 15. Now uncheck this block all public access and click on this. Now create bucket. Once the bucket is created, we have to add our project folders to it. So click on the bucket name and click on the upload option available. Now we will add the folder of our project. So click on the add folder option. Now select your project folder and click upload. Make sure that all the files of your project are uploaded. Once all the files of your project are uploaded, it shows as succeeded. Now let's change some options in the properties and permission. In the properties, we have to enable the static website hosting option. So click on the edit option. First, basically it will be as disabled. Now let's make it as enable and provide the index document name as index.html. For the error document, you can provide any name or leave it as blank. Now save the changes. Let's go to the permissions. In this, make sure that the block all public access is off. If it is not off, click on edit and change the option. Now select this and go to the actions and make the website as public. Make public. Now open your project and go to the index.html file. Now you will find a URL named as object URL. Open this in a new tab. This is my website, Nutrition Calculator. This is the home page. Here you can see the importance of healthy eating, the resources, menu calculator, balanced diet and about us. Now let's see the balanced diet. Balanced diet is nothing but basically the importance of healthy eating and what kind of food should I eat, what kind of food should I avoid, and benefits of healthy eating. Now let's see the menu calculator. Menu calculator is used to suggest food to the user. Now let's give some information. Age 22, activity level, let's give it as active and submit. When you click on submit, it shows you the breakfast, lunch and the dinner options. What kind of food can you consume and the calories. Like calories is 3000 calories for Monday and 3000 left for Tuesday. The same goes on for all the days of the week. Now about us is nothing but basically about me. And this is my nutrition website project. Thank you.